here in La Patagonia, by the side of the Rio Negro River. It's a climate with 300 millimeters per year. The soils are sandy loam. We are having an excellent yield. We are around 60 to 65 tons per hectare. We are in a windy day. Here in Patagonia, it is a very dry climate and excellent for this type of crops. It is first time that we are growing potatoes here. The water of the irrigation system, we are taking it from the Rio Negro River, that it is about 5 kilometers from where is the field. The irrigation, it is center pivot irrigation. The crop rotation, it is with wheat, maize or corn, and sometimes soybean.